And good morning. Good morning, everybody. We slept a lot. We slept like 11 hours. That was nice. Good math.
11.
More frisky outside. That's why I have 3 layers now, plus the wind protection jacket.
I told you before.
You sold me or you told me?
I told you. Or sold you, I don't know. Maybe both.
We should bring a beanie.
Yeah.
And I was like, why bring a beanie? It's fucking summer.
I was like, it's gonna be cold, Marcus.
Damn it. She's always right.
I am. I told you.
How's it going?
Great.
Yeah, so it started raining a bit and now we're packing everything up and trying to keep it as dry as possible, which is pretty tricky when it's raining, but we're doing our best. Luckily, we have very good rain clothing and waterproof bags. So we're good.
Hello!
It was a dude who was looking around and like, what the fuck?
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he did. He was like, what?
Hello!
Rock and roll, I'm the king of rock and roll. Fill me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. We feel good. We're halfway. We took a little 1 hour power nap-ish. We slept so good. These beds are like a little baby. Yeah, you slept like a baby. And now it's 8 p.m. and we're gonna hike up Festvågtind. Finally, I remember the name of the place we're going to. Excited?
No. I want to sleep. My legs are
Sleep for winners! We're gonna beat this mountain.
Okay. If you say so. Alright, so we arrived. Find a parking spot. Perfect. Now we're gonna hike up the mountain there. The sun is coming down. It's beautiful light. Couldn't be better. T-shirt, fleece jacket, and then wind jacket. Yeah.
Down.
Oh, my legs.
Yo, now
I want to go.
Newbie.
This is going to massage me tonight.
She lost the car keys about 10 times. But we always find it.
Found it.
Oh, nice. It's like, oh, hell no. Oh, fake. Yeah, these are steep. So, first impression, the path is not as clear as you think. It's like, where should we go now? Just rocks everywhere. But I'm guessing it's here.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Just look for dirty rocks, and then you know a lot of people walked on them. Oh yeah, and you have arrows helping you along the way. So, you see like, where the fuck?
Parkour.
Parkour.
Look at this.
Parkour. Oh yeah, you have to jump on that one to get the bonus point, and then you have the superstar so you can go to the next one. Okay, parkour. Ooh.
Made it! I'm here!
So after about
5 seconds of walking, we realized that it's gonna get pretty sweaty anyway. So even though it's pretty cold and windy, it gets warm when you hike, especially the steep. Tip of the day. Later, hater. If you want, you can tie it on my backpack so you don't have to get sweaty in your ass. Like last time.
Sure. Where?
Yeah. 2/5 of the way. Let's reach for the sky, baby. Boom.
Always.
It is really steep, but I think we're almost at the halfway where the beautiful lake is. And then from there I think it's longer, but a little less intense.
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too. Yeah, halfway. Woo! Oh, I feel good. Like it's always good. It's like, fuck. You feel super out of shape when you do this. Now I think it's gonna be a little more soft. It does not seem to be less steep. They were lying on the website.
I call that bullshit.
Yeah, right?
This one is steeper.
Yeah, this one is steeper than Ruten.
Yeah. That was steep.
Let's go. Oh, sweetie. Okay, I think we made it. Last steps up. Woo! My ass and legs and feet are on fire. Oh, thank you for the push. Oh, yes. Yeah, baby. We made it. Woo! Oh, man.
Oh, look at that.
Good job. Oh, shit. For short people, this is tricky. It's easy with 2 hands, it's harder with 1.
I'm gonna push your ass.
Yes, thank you.
No worries. I got your ass.
Whew. All the way up. Oh, there's more. We just gotta go there to the top. All the way up. Look at the colors. They're like zing. Oh shit. Nice.
Beach. Oh, sorry.
Oh, there's a mailbox here. Yeah, there's a mailbox. That's so cool. And we just realized it's a good idea to actually take off the sweaty t-shirts. Woo! And then dry clothing so you don't get as sick. So let's party. Party in the top. Tense those muscles, baby. Flex it.
I can wish clap.
Camera making time lapse. Sophie taking
Photos?
we're filming with the GoPro. We're just all over the place because the light in this place is magical. We're so lucky with the timing for everything.
Always.
Yeah. Oh, we like the little mailbox in the beginning. I mean, it had like a little plastic thing in it. So I was like, whatever. Someone just put like a food box there, but no, it's a plastic box because there's a guest book there.
Check it. Oi.
It was time to get a new book.
New
New opportunities.
Yeah. Oi. Cool. Let's sign it.
Yes.
From the sexiest couple in the world. Oi. I got the hiccups. Sophie and Marcus.
Is that our names?
You have a nice handwriting.
Thank you.
The most epic sunset and experience in our lives.
Most epic.
In our lives. P.S. from Marcus. Thank you. Norway.
Your handwriting is so ugly compared to
I know, right? Oi. What is that? I made like S7. Why is the big capital? Okay, whatever. Stay. There's a little difference. Like
this one's mine.
her pretty handwriting, mine 5-year-old handwriting.
What is he on that? Is that stay?
Yeah, stay.
It's
But
like-
it's a big capital
It's like
S.
S6.
Yeah, but it's a quick T, okay? Get out of my face! Just because I suck at everything, she has to point that out.
Someone has to.
Someone has to. Might as well be me.
Yeah.
You're funny. Okay, let's go. Go, my lady. Go.
Trying.
Go explore the world. Trying. Without dying. That rhymes. Did we bring everything?
Yeah, I don't know.
I think so. Hope so. Because we forget stuff all the time. Let's not fall down here and die, okay? Seems to be good. Seems to be clear of everything here. Alright, let's go. Oh, careful. The tough part is to go up, but the dangerous and tricky part is to go down because it's so steep. So watch your feet, people. Was it here?
Huh?
Was it here?
Yeah.
I let Sophie lead the way. And what do? We go down here, it's like fucking certain death. Like you're like, oh, did you go here? I was like, no, I'm pretty sure we went that way. It's like, you should start throwing rocks and they just bounce all the way down. It's like, yeah, that's us if we keep going.
I should not be in front.
Yeah, like, nope, I'll take the lead. I was like,
Turn
this is
around.
something. Oh. Oi. Whoop, up, up.
Så här är alltid att gå med Sofie.
Whoopa. Whoa, shit. Okay, that's not the way to go. And we're down. We have exactly now hiked for 5 hours. And we spent 1.5 hours on the top, so go with a good light. Either early morning, early night. Like, early night, like late night. Thank you, mountain. See you guys soon. There's guys there. All these mountains are, they're my bros.
Your fans.
What do you think?
9 out of 10.
Yeah, 9 out of 10? Are you crazy? This is like a 20 out of 10. Like the view is...
Okay.
I don't know what she's talking about. I thought it was like... So that's the other good thing with going early morning or late at night or evening is that it's not so fucking hot. Unless you go with a girl like this. So, what do you think? Sleep?
Yeah, maybe eat.
Maybe eat a little, yeah, right? A little bit of
sleep.
food, sleep, enjoy the beds, and go for another awesome day in Lofoten.
Tomorrow.
Yes. Good night, guys.
Town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm